Hello, my name is Sean Mills, and the equipment that I chose to speak about and do this presentation about is plyo boxes. And right in front of you on the left is a wooden plyo box, and on the right is a foam plyo box. What is a plyo box? Well, a plyo box is an exercise tool used to develop power, and it trains your ability to quickly exert force. Plyo box is actually a form of plyometric exercise, and what that is, it rapidly lengthens your muscles and then immediately shrinks your muscles. Plyo boxes can be flipped to any side, and each side is a different length. The most common length on a plyo box is 20 by 24 by 30. This little video, I got a little video right here to show you guys.
Whoa, you've got on $68 shorts. Fabletics Men wants to learn how we can make our new fundamental
challenging at the same time. So get ready, here we go.
Alright, so right here it's just a basic box jump where he just jumps up and steps right off. And you just do that repetitively until you move on to the next style. This one is the lateral hop, where it's basically the same thing but sideways. Alright, lateral twist up. Alright, well, that one was complicated, but you guys get the picture. Pros for plyo boxes is, it burns a lot of calories. It also trains the body's stability and mobility. It can make you more flexible, it can make you faster, and make you more agile at the same time. Another pro is it uses your own body weight to work all the leg muscles and strengthen your core. Really, the only cons to a plyo box is it could be pretty pricey and it can lead to injury. Barriers while using the plyo box is the fact that simplicity it gives out leads beginners to really jump the gun on it, and that leads to minor injuries like skinned knees, strained calves, or strained Achilles tendons. And safety hazards. Well, like I said before, in the cons, plyo boxes is a high risk of injury because the repetitive jumping and bonding can cause stress along the joints and can cause stress fractures as well. Alright, well, cost. Well, like you saw on the first slide, I showed you on the left was a wooden one, on the right was a foam one. The wooden plyo boxes are actually cheaper than the foam plyo boxes. Wooden ones can go from between like 50 and 150, where foam ones can start around like 100, and it can actually go past 600. And I was looking the other day on the internet at plyo boxes, at foam ones, and I saw one that was like in the thousands. So yeah, they can be pretty pricey, like I said earlier in the cons. Does science support it? Well, based on my research from ncbi.gov, science actually does support the use of plyo boxes. Well, because athletes who go through rehabilitation, they really want to work on getting their power and agility back as quick as possible. So with plyometric exercises like plyo boxes, being king on power and agility, science pretty much supports it.